Hello, we are Group 4 consisting of Sophie, Thomas, Jay and Anthony who is going to present our digital marketing strategy for Foodprint. Foodprint is a platform dedicated to reducing food waste as they are aware of this huge problem and its implications on the environment. Their platform connects eateries with consumers selling food that would usually go to waste and at a low price for consumers. The objective of this digital marketing strategy is to acquire new customers that will make it to the purchasing stage of the consumer decision-making process. The problem Foodprint faces and the factors preventing them from acquiring new customers is a lack of engagement on social media platforms and consequently low brand awareness. This is apparent as there is a lack of comments and/or likes from consumers on their social media pages as well as inconsistent posts. The lack of calls to action and inconsistency across platforms is preventing customers from engaging with Foodprint on social media platforms. The target market for Foodprint is a mixture of Generation Z and Millennials as they have a large focus on reducing carbon emissions and food waste, therefore sharing similar values to Foodprint in regards to sustainability in comparison to other generations. Their purchasing behavior is also influenced by social media influencers and social media posts. Consumers regarded as balanced optimists will be the primary target as they love to find items that have a low price but do not sacrifice on the quality, and commonly like their everyday actions to positively impact the environment. Based on the target market, we have come up with an ideal customer persona, which is James, who can be classified as a balanced optimist. He tries to avoid food waste where possible, choosing sustainable options, and loves to find items at a low price without sacrificing on the quality. The reasoning behind our chosen unique value proposition is that we would like to attract consumers that are already environmentally conscious and want to be a part of a community of like-minded people. We also know that many people want to be more sustainable but perhaps don't have the budget for many of the environmentally options on the market. So it was important for Foodprint to emphasize that they are a sustainable option that is affordable without sacrificing on the quality of the food.
Based on the consumer journey mapping, we prioritize the following strategies. First, social media advertising and marketing automation. Paying Instagram influencer with around 100,000 followers with about $2,000 for each of them to make Foodprint more famous on the online circle. Foodprint also created Instagram payments account by buying Instagram ads for cost per click rates in between of $0.7 and $1. Using the Facebook services to location tracking, Foodprint can actually enter in the specific zip code of the restaurant it features on the Facebook ads management platform. Push notification is about sending push notification around lunchtime, giving consumer a message downloading the app to access available cheap food discount. Geotagging is by using the location-based marketing efforts and database to attract potential consumer in the location. Auto-posting is about posting on Facebook and Instagram during a lunch hour in New Zealand. Foodprint increases monthly new user by around 500 to 700 monthly. Our goal is to increase more additional 20 to 30% to 700 to 1,000 new account users monthly. And the second step is the growth rate percentage. The original growth rate is around 1.1% at this moment, and our goal is to reach about 1.5%.
The fixed cost for social media advertising is influencers. According to Social Club, one Instagram influencer in New Zealand with 150,000 followers, one post could charge $2,375. For marketing automation, geotagging has a fixed software cost of $350 according to Group Mail. For other social media, advertising posing, according to Hootsuite, will also have an $881 software cost. For the variable cost, we're going to put $1,000 budget for social media advertising based on the average price of $1 for each click on Facebook and Instagram. Overall, the total cost for the campaign is $4,604. For impressions, after we searching online, we setting the conversion rate at 3.5%, and purchase customers will be 11,900. We also set the click-through rate at 10%. Then the click-through numbers will be 34,000. We cooperate with one Instagram influencer. We could get 150,000 impressions. Also with social media advertising, we could get 100,000 impressions. For marketing automation, based on the existing 45,000 users, geotagging and auto-posting will bring us 45,000 impressions each. In total, will be 90,000 impressions. Therefore, the total impressions of the whole campaign will be 340,000. Based on the performance above, 11,900 customers made a purchase on Foodprint. Assume each purchase revenue is $10, then the total revenue of the whole campaign will be $119,000.
Foodprint has a small team with big ambitions. An innovative digital development such as AI will enable Foodprint to build its brand, unique proposition, and marketing effectively. AI is a machine's ability to solve a specific problem and is a powerful and valuable technology that allows organizations to make better decisions, improving core business processes by increasing the speed and accuracy of strategic decision-making processes. So what are the benefits of AI? It can help enhance customers' website or in-app experiences via capabilities like optimizing conversation bots or customer service menus and delivering better product recommendations. AI can analyze data much faster than humans, allowing it to find patterns much more quickly. So how can Foodprint apply AI to its platform? They can use machine learning and AI to predict what customers are likely to buy. They could also integrate AI into customers' in-app experience, for example, giving "you may also like" suggestions or applying a machine learning-driven recommendation algorithm. Additionally, Foodprint could use a conversation AI or bot that answers customers' pertinent questions about food waste and the business's commitment to sustainability. The company could also enable a comment section within the app that's moderated by AI to boost customer engagement and attract new users. And finally, we should consider some of the implications of using AI. There could be privacy concerns related to product recommendations. There could be bias concerns from the machine learning. We should question whether the data we collect is for a good purpose and whether we are transparent with customers over its use. Just because we can doesn't mean we should collect all kinds of data. Thanks for listening to our presentation, and we welcome your questions.
Created using Powtoon.